Welcome to Jurgen's Journeys. Please like, share, and subscribe.
Hello YouTubers, glad to see you again. Appreciate you joining me. This is the second part of a couple of videos on replacing my couch. I had a vinyl couch which came apart. It was peeling, making a mess. And in my first video I discussed options and why I chose to employ a custom upholsterer to redo this couch. Having done that, I got it back after about 7 weeks, and because that was his lead time, overall I'm satisfied with it. The upholstery is soft, very comfortable. I love how it sits. He reused all the foam and everything, which was still in good shape. It was just he went from a vinyl to this fabric, which is cleanable and which is durable. So I think that in the long run this is going to be a winner. Now price-wise, I probably came out better than ordering it from the factory. That was one of my options. This couch cost me $960 to have the couch and these arms recovered. Now you could buy a couch online in fabric for somewhat less than that, but it would not include these arms. You'd still have to go to an upholsterer to have the arms redone, and I don't know what that would cost by itself. You'd have to order the matching material from the couch manufacturer and hope that all that matches, and then take it to an upholsterer and have him do the arms. Putting it back together is very simple. The hardest part are the arms, because you have to get up underneath it, pull the slide in. You have to kind of work from underneath and the back side. There are 3 different size screws. The longest ones go through the deck from underneath into the arm. The middle size goes from the back into the front part of the arm. And then there's a short screw that goes through the hardware into the arm. So that's the hardest part. The rest is easy. The little board that goes below the seat to the floor is just held on with a couple of screws. The back and the seat both have 2 stems on each end that go into the scissor hardware. You just run some nuts on it, tighten it down, and that's it. Easy to reinstall the seat and the back. So that pretty much covers the subject. I also want to mention that I'm using my buddy heater to warm this camper up while I'm in here working on it. It does a great job, and it's quiet. I don't have my furnace blasting right now, and I'm just cozy warm in here. So listen, I appreciate you joining me today, and I invite you to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up and support the channel in that way. But regardless, I pray that all your journeys be safe and that God may bless you.